Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In this video, we will discuss how can you add templates to your chat flow. So on the BotPenguin platform, we have some pre-designed templates that you can use to reduce your time required to build a chat flow from scratch. So to create a chat flow and add predefined templates into that, you have to firstly create the bot. So once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. To create a new bot, you just have to click on the Create New Bot button right here. Then you have to choose the solution that you are looking for. For the demo purpose, I am simply choosing this lead generation chatbot. And then you have to choose the platform for which you want to create your chatbot. I am simply selecting website chatbot here. Now this is the edit your chat flow canvas. If you want to create your chat flow from scratch, you can do it from here. You can choose the chat components from here and then you can add them into your chat flow. But if you want to add predefined templates into your chat flow, you have to click on this button. And here you will find the pre-built chatbot templates option. From here, you can browse through the available templates for different use cases and the template will be integrated into your existing chat flow. You can also filter the templates by these categories. For the demo purpose, I am using this template. If you want to view the template, you can do it from here. And then to use the template, you can click on the Use Template button right here. And the template will be added to your flows list. You have to tap on the Use Now button. And that's it. The template has been added to your chat flow. Now you can modify the text, buttons or actions to align with your brand's tone and goals. If you want to edit any chat component, you can just tap on it and you can edit the message from here. You can also change the options if you want. You can review the chat flow and add or delete any components according to your choice. If you want to connect this message to any other message and not this one, you can change it from here. You can use the test button to confirm that the template integrates well with the rest of your chat flow. So that was all about how you can use templates in your chat flow. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.